Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X5, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. And to get started, let's hold power key, select power off or shut down in this case. And once the device powers off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And you should see the boot mode. So from here, using volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then confirm it with power key, or not power but volume down. And then you should be taken to the recovery mode. And then here, using both volume keys, you can now navigate in order to select wipe cache partition right here, and then confirm it with power key. Select yes. As you can see, it's already finished. Cache wipe complete. And reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key once more, and the device will now go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.